Did you know that you could sell home decor through print on demand and never have to touch a physical product? You could have a whole shop on Etsy or Shopify or TikTok shop with beautiful home decor products, and you never have to touch a single one because a printing company will do all the work for you. They will print the design on the product, they will package it, and they will ship it to your customers. This is called print on demand, and in today's video, I'm going to share the ins and outs. Hi, my name is Jenny. I have made multiple six figures on Etsy through print on demand, and now I coach others how they can do the same. I mostly sell apparel in my Etsy shops. However, I am seeing a rise in home decor products, and I think we are really headed that way in 2024. And Printify makes it so easy for us to sell these products on platforms such as Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop. I'm going to show you some examples in just a moment, but first let me show you where you can easily find these products. All right, here we are in Printify. So this is the site that fulfills all of my orders from my Etsy shop. I list a product on Etsy. When a customer orders that product, it is synced right up to Printify where they get the order, they print the design onto the product, they package it really nicely, and they ship it right out to my customer for me. So I am not holding any inventory. I am not touching a single product. Here are the different categories, and for today's video, we're talking about home decor. So we're going to go to home and living, and here are all the different types of home and living products that they have. Today, I'm going to be showing you a pillow and also a lamp. So let's go to pillows. Here are different pillows that you can choose from. You can just have a pillowcase. They have many different options at different price points. And the quality is really, really great. Coming back over here to the toolbar, home and living, and we'll choose home decor. So you have anything from candles to tapestries to little banners, clocks, curtains. And here we are with a lamp, which I'm about to show you. I am so amazed by the quality of this, by the way. There are so many options that you can put your designs on and start selling today. And in case you didn't know, Printify easily integrates with any of these platforms. It's super easy to get synced up and start selling within a few hours. All right, so here is an example of a pillow. My mom actually made this to match a canvas that she had bought that's above her bed. So she ordered 2 of these pillows, and they are really amazing quality. I'm pretty sure that she found the images on CreativeFabria, which I'm about to show you, and she put the background on, and then she dragged the palm trees over and made a really cute print for this pillow that matches almost exactly with the canvases. I'll add the picture of it in here soon so that you can see it all tied together. And then here is the lamp to match the pillows. So I'm gonna back up a little bit so that you can see it. It's really amazing quality. She said the packaging was perfect. I'm gonna come in a little closer so that you can see. It's very durable. And then there's a little string here. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys. I will add a photo in this video so that you can see what it actually looks like, because the lighting is not very great right now. But it's adorable. And you can do the same for your Etsy shop. If somebody's searching for a pillow and then they stumble across other matching products, chances are they're gonna buy everything that you have with that design on it so that they can have a matching bedroom. They can have a room that flows nicely together. Also, if you're watching this video, you can do the same thing. You can just order these products for yourself. You don't even have to sell them if you don't want to. I've ordered products for friends, for family, and they come in handy for really, really great personalized gifts. So if you don't feel like selling, but you're interested in this, you can make your own products. You don't even have to go to the store and buy what they're offering you. You make what you want. So that's the awesome thing about print on demand too. So I mentioned CreativeFabria earlier. CreativeFabria is a site that offers hundreds and thousands of graphics to use for your print-on-demand products. They also offer fonts that you can use. This site has saved me hours and hours rather than sitting down and designing, which I still love to do, but with 2 little kids, it's very hard for me to find the time. CreativeFabria is amazing because you can simply go to the top and type in what you're looking for. I typed in palm trees, and here's everything that is showing up. I actually feel like my mom might have gotten the palm tree from here, maybe. They look similar. And you simply just download it to your computer, and you can drag that image into any design software such as Canva or KITTL or GoDaddy Studios, Procreate, whatever it is that you choose to design in. And you can tweak these to how you like them. You can add text, you can erase things, you can add different elements. You don't have to. You can use these designs as is if you have the commercial license. However, I always choose to tweak my CreativeFabria designs because more and more Etsy sellers, Shopify sellers are learning about this site. And you want to be able to stick out among your competition, right? So I think it's very important to always add your own touch to these designs so that you can make it your own intellectual property and no one else can steal your design once you make it your own. I actually have a link for 10 free downloads to CreativeFabria in my description below if you want to give it a try. Oh, here it is. Actually, I think she chose one from here. Pretty sure this is the one that she chose. That's so funny. So yeah, you would just click download, and as you can see, it's commercial and full print on demand usage allowed, and it's very easy. It saves to your downloads, and like I said, you just drag it in to whatever software that you're using, and you put it on a mock-up photo, and you list it on Etsy. Now, you might be wondering about mock-up photos for home decor products. When I sell a t-shirt on Etsy, I like to purchase my mock-up photos from Etsy. I sell the Bella Canvas 3001 brand. So I go into the Etsy search and I type in Bella Canvas 3001 t-shirt mock-up, and I purchase a blank t-shirt mock-up that matches the shirt that I'm selling. Now, that's kind of hard to do with home decor products, and you want to make sure that you are selling in integrity and you are showing the actual product. So if you have difficulty finding this same exact lamp mock-up, I want to show you the mock-ups that Printify has to offer for their home decor products. I personally don't use their mock-ups for the t-shirts and the sweatshirts, but their home decor products, they have really nice mock-ups. So let me jump in and show you. Okay, so here is the lamp now, and if I click Start Designing, and I'm going to move it over here, I'm going to scale it down to fit within the dotted lines. And before I duplicate this, I want to see where it shows up on the lamp. So I'm going to click Preview, and I can see the one side by clicking here. I'm going to see if I can make it a tiny bit bigger. All right, so it's showing me I can't go much bigger than that, so I'm going to preview it, and here it is on the right side. And if I want to do it on the other side as well, which my mom did also, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click the copy button, the duplicate button right here, and it made it the same size for me. So now I'm simply going to drag it over, and it'll come up with lines to let you know if you are even or not. And I need to make sure that it is far enough away from the side. So you got to kind of eyeball this part, but then you click preview to see what it looks like. So here is the left side. You know, it looks like I need to center it a little bit more with the pole, and here is the right side. So you do have to be careful and just keep checking the preview. So I'm going to move this. I'm not sure which way I should move it over. I'm trying to think. I think I have to move it over this way a little bit and move this one this way. We'll see. It's a little tricky. Yeah, I did it too far. It's tricky with this and with mugs. So I know I have to move it the other way. I find I have this issue when I'm doing mugs as well, but it's worth it. And you start to get an eye for it the more that you do. Okay, the right side looks good. The left side needs a little bit movement, but for time purposes, you get the point, right? So I would just click Save Product. The other cool thing is if you want to change the trim color, you can choose whatever colors you would like for the trim, and then you can preview it. So there's the blue, and then you can also change the background color. My mom had the chevron in the background. She pulled that in from somewhere else. If you don't add your own background, you can do that within Printify. So let's say we want to do light gray and then preview. And now it's showing me what it would look like with the trim color as well. And then here is a beautiful mock-up photo that you can use in your Etsy listing or Shopify, wherever it is that you are selling. This is the actual product. It's a beautiful, clear image. And then you can also have example images of what your product would look like. And there's an example of what the light looks like on, and that is a pretty accurate description. So these are definitely the mock-up photos that I would use. All of the home decor products are like this. Like I said, the pillow mock-up photos look great. So I wouldn't worry about having to purchase your own mock-up photos. Just use the ones within Printify for the home decor. And then you would just click Save Product. And if you have it synced up properly with your Etsy shop or whatever platform it is that you're selling on, it goes right to your store and it's ready to be purchased. It's always important to make sure that a product is actually in demand before you sell it on any platform so that you're not wasting your time or your money. So let me show you a quick way that you can do this to make sure that you are designing in niches that are well worth your time. I'm going to be using Etsy for my example because this is the platform I mostly use to sell my print-on-demand products on. So we can simply go up to the search and we're going to type in home decor since that's what this video is about. And as you can see, home decor is getting over 9,000 monthly searches, which is really, really great. It shows that home decor is in demand on Etsy. I am going to be using EVERBEE to show you how I'm doing my product research here. So EVERBEE is a Chrome extension within Etsy, and it offers product analytics, keyword research, and a bunch of other things to help you start, optimize, and scale your Etsy business. So I'm going to simply click Product Analytics here. And this is populating home decor products for me. I'm going to come over to the monthly revenue. I want to see which ones are bringing in the most money monthly. I'm going to refresh this down arrow. This cheese board is actually bringing in $283,000 this month revenue on Etsy, which is amazing. Now it is the holiday season, so that might have something to do with it, but still, that's crazy. So I want to take a look to see if there are any products that are within Printify to show you. So you could always do wall art within Printify. You can do ornaments. These are a huge hit around the holidays. You can do welcome mats. This one's bringing in 28,000 monthly revenue. I want to type in pillow. Let's see what types of pillows are selling now. Here is an amazing example. This is a personalized family name pillow, which is bringing in over $13,000 monthly, and it has over 22,000 sales, which is amazing. I'm going to click into this further. Now, please do not copy any of the listings that I'm sharing with you today. This is only to gain inspiration and to also show you what is possible for your own print-on-demand business. You want to see what's selling well and see how you can make something similar or even better and put your own creative touch on it. Make it in a different aesthetic, apply it to a different niche, make it your own intellectual property. And I'm going to tell you, if you try to copy this exactly, you will be competing with a bestseller, and that doesn't work out well. The bestseller always wins. So don't waste your time. Put your own creative spin on listings that are already doing well. And as you can see, 24 people bought this in the last 24 hours. It's super simple to make, and you would just have to make it a custom order so that the customer could put in their information. You can make pillows for teachers, grandparents, your boss. There are many different niches that you could dive into and sell a pillow in. If you are interested in learning more about EVERBEE, I have a link below for the free version, and also if you enjoy the free version and want to purchase the growth plan, I have a promotional link in there as well so that you can buy 1 month, get 1 month free, and that is in my description below. So there are a few examples of home decor products that you could sell in your print-on-demand businesses moving forward in 2024. If this video helped you, subscribe to my channel for more print-on-demand tips. I wish you all the success moving forward into 2024. I'll see you in the next video.